2006 Lexus RX 350 luxury SUV. Only $69.50 cash total out the door. Bright silver metallic paint, aluminum alloy wheels with good tires, tinted windows, roof rack crossbars, rear bumper protector, tow hitch trailer package. And then storage. Nice light gray leather interior, wood grain trim throughout. Lexus carpeted floor mats, power windows, locks and mirrors with memory driver's seat. Six-disc in-dash changer, premium sound system, dual automatic climate controls, steering wheel controls, auto headlights with fog lights, just over 147,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Y'all come by and see us at Cupholders.